Hi and welcome to my kitchen again. So today we're not going to do puzzle pieces in motion, we're going to do something slightly different. So I've been planning to do this do-it-yourself project for quite a while. I found this beautiful lantern looking thing in the trash like a year ago. So what we're going to do is basically create like a little cacti garden inside. So we'll see how that goes. So my biggest issue is how to actually plant them inside the thingy or inside this lantern, because obviously it's not made for plants. So I found this old shoe carton which should be more or less exactly the right size. I don't know exactly how on earth I managed to have one of these, but you know, maybe it's more of a standard size than I thought. You know, I wouldn't even know how they would have figured this out somehow, but obviously it's a bit high, so we're gonna cut it down, line it with aluminium foil and potentially some plastic to make sure it doesn't soak up all the water from the plants. And then we're just gonna try to arrange them and see how it turns out. So on with the footage. So that turned out actually pretty good. I'm not entirely sure in which order to do all these things, whether I should somehow put everything, because it looks like this now. You can see how it sort of fits perfectly snug in there. I'm not sure if I think it's too high or if it's a good height. Inside the lantern. Okay, this is really scary. If this doesn't work, I'm gonna be so upset. Alright, so squeeze it in. This is not gonna work. Okay, I'm gonna need a new plan. I'm gonna try to remove the glass. Shit. Okay, that was crazy difficult, but ta-da! Super cute. I had to cheat a little bit with the glass, so as you can see, or I don't know if you can see it, but there's like a little gap here because it didn't end up where it should be, but I'm not going to do anything about it because I'm so happy I actually got it in without having to redo everything. So I'm going to add some lights now and see how it looks, and then voila! Today's do-it-yourself project is finished. Alright, alright, alright.